So hello everyone again. Let us start. We have exchanged the greetings already, but again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being patient for the past few minutes. Let's start. This webinar sees launch of Zennet Live's Plus One Partner Program, an opportunity for all the IT industry members to add cloud services to their existing product portfolio and make money. This launch of Plus One Partner Program is a very exciting thing for Zernet Live because all of our teams, market analysts, product developers here, partner specialists, have all put a lot of hard work and market research and analysis into building this Plus One Partner Program. Allow me to mention that more than just being excited, we are also very curious for your feedback as to how valuable you find a Plus One Partner Program after this demo, because this launch of partner program is just the beginning of how much Zernet Life is going to invest both time, money and everything in IT industry partner ecosystem in the next 10 years. This is of prime importance to us, and a lot of hard work has been put into this, and yeah, again repeating, very excited to see how you guys find it. So before we start, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Dakshesh. I head marketing here at Zernet Live, and with me is Suchit Sharma. He heads partner relations here. Suchit has over 8 years of experience in the IT industry, has a very good deep knowledge of how things work on ground level. Also, he has been one of the instrumental key drivers in devising this Plus One partner program over last 6 7 months, and has a lot of value to contribute during this half an hour session. Suchit, can you please give a quick introduction of yourself?
Uh, Thanks, Rakshesh. Hello to everyone. It's very good to see so many familiar partners here lined up today. Over the last week, you guys must have received lots of calls, SMSs, uh, mailers from our end, and it's very, very good. And I'm very excited here to see that so many partners have managed to join us today. They found it very, very interesting, and that they can actually come on a Friday evening to join us. Uh, Before I can start, I can actually assure you right now that this half an hour, this 1 hour that we are going to discuss with you, and it's going to be completely worthwhile of your time. And this particular 1 hour will have a greater impact on how your business is going to be grown into a different level altogether, in a different direction altogether in this next 2 years. And thanks one again, thank you again, everyone, for joining us here today.
Thanks,
Over to
Suchit.
you, Dakshish.
Yeah, thanks, Suchit. Thank you so much. So yeah, so before I start talking about the features of Plus One Partner Program, allow me to go into a bit of history behind Plus One Partner Program. So a lot of you who are joining us today are our existing partners, and you know that last year 2015 had us extensively traveling across multiple cities, meeting a lot of members from the IT industry just to understand what would their expectations be from such a partner program. What would be the ideal partner program from them? We have covered pretty much all of the IT industry just to devise this program. We have met web developers, application developers, web designers, ERP sellers, tele sellers, hardware vendors, system integrators, license distributors, domain providers, hosting providers, everyone, just to understand the business needs, the existing problems they have, what is their understanding of the market, how they can add cloud services to their existing products, and more importantly, and most importantly, do they even see themselves selling cloud in months or years to come? Are they even thinking about selling cloud? Do they even realize how much tremendously market is going to change in coming months, and what the value of selling cloud services is going to be? Suchit, you have relatively much more experience than me into this, as you have met a lot of people one to one. So, can you quickly share your input? Do these IT Indian providers see themselves selling cloud in next 6 months, 1 year? What do you say? What is your take?
Dakshish, it's a very good question actually. Uh, do we actually need to sell cloud? But I think it's a very simple question with the even simplest explanation. Do we want to make money? Do everyone who has joined us today, joined here today, do as a solution provider, is it our ultimate goal here is to make more and more money? Be it a software developer, be it a website maker, be it a tele partner, be it a system integrator, and I can assure you from the personal experience of mine that I have met so many people here over the last 1 year. Everybody is looking for making maximum revenue out of their whatever solutions that they are selling, and that too they want to actually generate a recurring income out of it. Now, even there are some partners here who are our traditional hosters who are probably selling similar services like us, maybe domains or hosting, but they will also vouch for this that nowadays traditional hosting is actually dying. There is not much of a revenue growth which is coming our way by selling traditional hosting or traditional solutions. And I'll tell you one very, very good insight that we are living in an era where every customer is a super smart customer. We cannot fool the customers right now. And I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure that they are damn excited about cloud solutions. They know what it is. They have spoken to many of the outside influencers that are also coming into the picture, so they know exactly what kind of solution they require. And if right now, as an IT community that we are, if we do not cater to that need of cloud solutions right now, somebody else would definitely going to do that. And if that happens, our biggest asset is our existing customer base, and that is going to shift from ourselves to somebody else. And I am pretty sure here that every entrepreneur would face this issue that they do not want to lose their existing customer, for which over the last many years that they have worked so hard for. I think it's a very, very simplest explanation that if you want to make maximum money, if you want to generate recurring income for yourself, and if you want to keep your customers satisfied, this is the solution to go with.
Okay, so what we can maybe conclude it as that if you don't sell cloud to your customer, your competitor is going to, and he is not even going to take your existing customer, he's also going to take a chunk out of your revenue.
Yeah, definitely, because there are many players, and if a customer requires a single vendor, definitely prefers a single vendor.
Okay, so coming back to where I started, that when we have met so many people, what are a key takeaways? What does an IT service provider need to sell cloud? The first and the most frequent feedback that we have got is that everybody needs automation, end-to-end automation. I'd like to share one very interesting thing here that nearly 72% of IT providers we met, and that includes tele partners, system integrators, software resellers, 72% of them do not have direct order provisioning on their website. And this is actually very strange because as your business grows, you cannot afford to spend your time in manually collecting checks, sending invoices, sending order delivery mails, sharing product configurations via emails. You cannot spend your time working on each order manually. So this was something very strange to us that 72% of the people do not have a website with direct order provisioning. So again, it works kind of vice versa, that when you grow, you cannot afford to take each order manually. And if you actually want to grow and scale, but you're investing your time in undertaking each order manually, you cannot expect to grow. So automation is very important. One of our premium partners, Mr. Suyog Kulkarni, MD of White Technologies, had a very interesting thing to say, that end-to-end automation of complete business cycle, service delivery, billing, sales, CRM, and support is very important for us if we want to sell cloud services to a huge customer base and most importantly, scale. So automation was one key takeaway. Everybody wanted automation to sell cloud services. Second, choices. Yeah, everybody wants that he should be able to sell to his customers anything and everything. Sujit, you are a sales guy. You're a hardcore sales guy. What's your take on this?
Uh, Actually, choices makes all the difference. I was discussing with one of my partner 15-20 days back, and he came up to me and he said, "यार अगर मेरे पास AWS होता ना, अगर मेरे पास AWS होता तो I would have got this order." And it actually made me thinking कि अगर मेरे पास Google Apps होता, Now, these kind of questions do come. A customer might ask for a service which you are currently not selling probably, but there is a definitive requirement for it. It makes more sense that we have plethora of services in one single panel so that कोई भी customer अगर मैं prospect कर रहा हूँ, all I want is to acquire that customer. And if I do not have the right service for it, I will feel very bad about it because I have done all the hard work of prospecting that customer. Now, sir, I do not want to pick that particular call from any customer of mine saying that I have switched to this from your services to another vendor because you were not selling me that particular solution. Solution makes a lot of difference, wherein even if there is any kind of requirement from a customer, again I'm going to repeat here, every customer is a smart customer nowadays. He knows exactly what he needs. We should be prepared to sell anything to a customer. If we have that kind of competency level, we can actually make recurring out of it also, and we can actually scale with our existing customers also.
Sounds good. And what is your take on support? Because a lot of our partners told us that they expect their partner provider like Zernet Live or any other provider to provide technical support to their end customer. What's your take on that?
Actually, it makes most of the sense. एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है या अगर कोई सेल्स, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर अगर एक ही चीज पे फोकस करना चाहे तो वो अपने सेल्स पे ही फोकस करेगा. रेवेन्यू ड्रिवन एक्टिविटीज को करने में जितना मजा आता है उसके अंदर सबसे ज्यादा दिमाग चलता है. नाउ सडनली आपने सेल भी कर दिया, यू हैव एक्वायर्ड द कस्टमर. नाउ व्हाट? नाउ आपको एक सपोर्ट में इन्वेस्ट करना है. आपको अगर आप अपने सपोर्ट के अंदर इन्वेस्टमेंट में लग जाओगे तो क्या आप अपना वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम वापस से सेल को ग्रो करने में लगा पाओगे? It makes huge sense if somebody else manages their support, and that too if he manages from the support in their own brand territory. अगर ये ऐसा होता है तो every entrepreneur will be more excited, and after all even the most hardworking entrepreneur also has only a limited time of 24 hours. Rather than spending that 24 hours managing support and then generating sales also, it makes more sense to keep focusing on revenue driven activities and let somebody else take the care of the support from themselves. And that too, if it is a good automated support they are getting, it makes most sense to any partner also.
Sounds of great value. And yeah, fourth most important thing that we came across was that a lot of providers said that at the end of the day, when we start selling cloud services, we are going to add a new product to our portfolio. And to be able to sell it best, we need some sort of an initial push. That initial push can be of a joint event organized with Zernet Live, wherein we can call all our end customers, existing customers, and tell them कि हाँ ये हमने नई services launch करी है. That push can be in terms of digital marketing. That push can be in terms of joint telecalling campaigns. So a lot of our partners had the expectation that okay, if I want to sell cloud services, I would be expecting some sort of marketing support from my provider. And final thing was that they also needed pre-sales assistance, because a lot of partners said that I want to be able to sell everything. I want to sell AWS, I want to sell Google Cloud Platform, I want to sell Azure Cloud, I want to sell software, IBM Cloud, I want to sell Google Apps, Microsoft 365. But I don't want to invest time in building a technical competency in any of these things. If my customer or his IT department has a query, IT technical query, then I want someone from your team to be able to sit with me and resolve all those apprehensions of the customer. So they needed some sort of a pre-sales assistance to be able to close more and more leads possible. And they also expected us to conduct roundtable conferences wherein they could invite all our possible leads, and we could have some sort of a joint demo of the products that we were selling. So we have tried to inculcate all these expectations as much as possible in our new launch of Plus One Partner Program. We have tried to build something of great value and have tried to inculcate very good, very beautiful, very useful features so that it is of great value too. I'll start right away and cover all the features, all the aspects of Plus One Partner Program one by one, starting right away. Again, the first thing that mattered was automation. And this is the most important part of Plus One Partner Program. With Plus One Partner Program, we have automated your complete business cycle. As soon as you join us, your website is going to automatically launch with all the cloud products integrated. We are going to provide you a ready-made website as well as an ERP software solution, a backend that you can use to manage your sales funnel, to manage your marketing, to manage your CRM, support, billing, invoices, taxation, everything. So this is something which has taken 6 months amount of time investment on our part because we wanted you to just sell and automate every other aspect of your business. So we are going to start a live demo, a just 10 short minutes demo of this complete ERP software solution we are providing to you and the live website we are providing to you so that you can first hand see how useful it is going to be for you. So Chit, can you please spin up a quick demo of our complete business cycle that we are going to provide to our customers? I'm going to just give you the screen control.
Thanks, Akshay. So let's begin with a quick demo here of what we have tried to build. This is a ZNet Live website. Any partner who wants to join us can come to this website page and click on join now. Here they have to fill their necessary information, some small informations and everything. The sign up process will not take too much of the time. I'm doing here a quick sign up. As soon as I have filled the sign up form on my website, on ZNet Live's website, an administrator from ZNet Live will get a request. I'm here logging in from my administration panel to show you how we do that. Here I received a request and I'm approving it. Now we have received the request from the partner who has signed up from the website. I'm going to approve here his request. Now as soon as I approve this request in the backend process, the entire process has started wherein the partner will get the entire details of his automation platform. Here the partner will get his member panel getting ready, here his website is getting ready, and here his customer member panel is also getting ready and will be delivered on his mail ID. I'm just going to give you an example here. I'm here logging in from a demo partner. Now here is the best part of it. It took hardly 2 minutes of time, and as soon as the partner request has been approved, your admin control panel details are here. You can, your website is here. Your website is automatically launched. Your member panel, your customer member panel is also here. I'm just showing you the mail which we have just approved, and you can actually see your entire details sent to the partner's mail ID, the registered mail ID of partners, and you are ready to go in less than 5 minutes. Now here this details has been sent to you. Now I'm going to show you how this panel of partner looks like and how the website looks like.
Okay, so
now this is
just allow me to make this clear. So what has happened is that as soon as the partner has signed up on a website, we have approved his request, and his complete website plus admin panel plus customer panel has been launched in less than 2-3 minutes.
Yes, in less than 2-3 minutes, a partner can start his business with the website, and actually can immediately his customer self-service portal is also been created.
Okay, fine.
Here is a demo on a website that I have created here. This is the look and feel, general look and feel of the website. Now here we have added some of the products already that a partner is right now selling from Celtic Life, and you can actually check out the plans and everything.
So this is a ready-made website that every partner is going to get.
Yes, this is a ready-made website that every partner is going to get.
Okay.
Now this entire website is actually can be manageable from the demo partner panel, which the details of that is also being sent. So I'm going to just switch over here to the demo panel of the partner, that from where he will actually have the admin rights to this website. Now here I'm doing some settings here. Partner can actually create an environment for himself. This is the look and feel of the demo panel, how the demo panel looks like.
So this is the partner's admin panel. This is what he's going to get.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, this is the partner's admin panel. Now here there are many options, like you can actually create your own brand. You can actually put in your own logo and everything. And here I'm just these are some of the 2-3 products that we have already mentioned here for this demonstration. And actually, partner has got all the rights here. He can actually create his own pricing. He can actually set up certain discounts that if he wants to do that. And if he wants to sell in a particular price, he can actually set it from here. And now here I'm just setting up one price here right now. I'm setting here one price of 500 rupees to a particular plan. As soon as we have done this setting here in the admin panel, automatically on the website also,
Okay, so the price has been auto updated on the website as well.
Yes, the pricing has been auto updated here from the website. You can actually check. We have made we have put in the price for monthly pricing of 500 rupees. Automatically on the website, a customer can view the price for 1 month is 500 rupees in a plan. Now, this is a brief explanation of how it is easier to make certain changes from the admin panel to the website. It is like touch and go. Every partner can do certain changes from their end, can make some changes on the prices as he wishes. Now let us take one quick look here. If the customer is now going to the partner's website and ordering that particular product. Now, I'm taking the same plan which I have made certain changes before. I'm just buying it now from the website. The customer is coming onto the partner website and purchasing this product right now.
Okay, so this is where a customer has made a purchase from the partner's website.
Yes, a customer has walked in and made the purchase from the website.
Okay.
Complete order processing has been automated. Now here the customer has actually paid, and now let us check what has happened at the demo partners admin panel. Partners admin panel. We're back on at the partners admin panel, and we can check the order placed by his end customer. Now here the partner can actually check that okay, the customer has purchased what and he has actually paid, so the order is already in progress. This is completely automated. Partner has had to do nothing here, and he can actually check the entire details. He can actually check the complete order details. He can actually check the invoices which has been paid from his end and the amount that he has received from the partner, from the end customer. Now let us check the partner's end customer's details here. He can actually check his customer's entire details here.
Okay, so I believe we'll have to make it a bit faster. Can you now quickly show the member panel that his customer is going to get?
Okay, I'm going to show here the customer members panel.
So this is the panel that his customer is going to get once he makes the purchase, right?
Yes, this is how the self-service portal will look like. Now this is an end customer's service portal, partner's end customer service portal. Now, 2 minutes back, the service which the end customer has purchased is now completely provisioned in his account. Now, this is a very beautiful thing. He can actually check, the partner's end customer can actually check his renewal here, can automatically upgrade his services right now in the same panel. He can actually check his billing details also. So complete details that an end customer would want in his panel, he can actually check. He can check his invoices, he can check his orders and the receipts that he has received from it.
Okay.
For the particular service.
Okay.
Now, this is actually the automation of the ordering part. That a customer has walked into my website, has purchased the account. Now, the second part is, okay, what if now he has some issue? Now, what is after sales service looks like? So we have actually automated the entire support system also from the partner. Now, the end customer of the partner has logged into his same member panel, is raising a ticket now after the purchase of the product. I'm here creating a dummy ticket here for everyone to see how easy it is. Now a ticket has been created for the end customer itself. Now let us see this same ticket in the partners panel now. Partner can actually check the ticket here.
Okay, so the customer has raised a support issue, has submitted a ticket, and now that ticket is visible in partner's admin panel.
Partners admin panel. Now here is the beauty of it. You can actually, now the partner has got every right to right now can actually reply now itself. He can, if he understands the issue, if partner is comfortable with this issue, he can actually reply from here. The entire logs and chat history will automatically be saved here, and he can actually simply reply from here, and the issue will be submitted from his end only. Now, let us assume that if the partner requires a complete white label support from ZNet, here this is also possible. Let us now check the same ticket in an environment, how the ZNet Lite will come into the picture with white label support. If the issue is not been resolved, we have also received the same ticket. We have also received the same ticket in our ZNet Live admin panel, and you can actually check the signature here downstairs that even if my person, even if a support person from ZNet Live is also replying to that, the signature and everything will be sent off the partners only. So if the issue is not in, if a white label support is required from ZNet Live, it is completely possible from here.
Okay, so simplifying it a bit, so if the partner's end customer raises a support issue, even we can help him without the end customer knowing that it is ZNet Live that is resolving the support issue. He might as well be thinking, okay, this is my partner support team that has provided me the support.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay, so we have covered complete service provisioning automation of customer making a purchase and his servers getting delivered, and we have covered the automation of customer raising a support request and it being resolved either by the partner itself or by ZNet Live. Sujit, can we very quickly cover the remaining aspects that our partners are going to get in this ERP solution?
It makes a like, for example, now we are getting a ready-made website. They do not have to invest on any ready-made website. The website that they can control themselves, the website from which they can actually create their own plans. They can actually choose whatever products that they want to sell right now. Here, as they have the complete product, complete understanding of what plans that they want to feature, now they can actually make some changes on that part also. In sales and marketing, if we talk about like in sales and marketing,
before that, can you please show these things in the live panel, like how it is going to? Can these partners have a look how their admin panel is going to look?
Yes, please. Now this is the complete partners panel, how the partner panel looks like. He can actually check his entire details from here. He can check the entire inventory. This is a complete PI portal that we are getting, that their partner is getting.
Okay, so just to make this clear, guys, this is the dashboard of the admin panel that you are going to get here, and within a single click you can see what are the paid invoices you have got from your customers, what are the unpaid invoices, how much total revenue has your business got today, in this week, in this month, in past month, etc., etc. You can see how many billing cycles have been paid, how many orders you have got today. Likewise, Sujit, can you please also go in the support section? Yeah, so this support section is where you can see all the support tickets you have received. You can choose whether to reply to those tickets yourself or you can also take let Zernet Live take the lead and have us address the issue. And then there is a we have a paucity of time right now, so we are going to send the details to you later. So accordingly, you have the say billing panel, you have the support panel, CRM panel, marketing panel, which has each and every one of the functionality in very good detail. So I'm going to quickly go back to the presentation now. So this here was the live demo. Just 20% of the functionality of what we are going to provide in the ERP solution. After this webinar gets over, next Monday you're going to hear from us and we are going to walk you through the complete panel. And these, to sum it up, are various aspects of the ERP solution that you're getting. You get a ready-made website launched within 5 minutes. It will have products added as well, and you can add your own products to the website within coming next 1-2 months as well. This is in a roadmap, and you can update this website in real time. For example, you want to reduce your pricing, you want to increase your pricing, you can do that. You get a sales and marketing panel wherein you can see your leads funnel, how many potentials you have, etc., etc. You get a marketing panel where directly from the backend you can do stuff like, from 1st to 15th this month, I want 15% discount running on my website. So it is going to be automatically visible on your website. You can create coupon codes. You can create multiple offers that are going to be visible to your existing customers in their customer panel. Then you have support and CRM module. Then you have billing and pricing module where you can set your pricing. There are also multiple currencies available in which you can do business transactions. If you have some clients out of India as well, you can view complete inventory. You can view your licenses. You can view your assets, how much you have sold this month, how much is available in inventory. Then your customer gets a self-service panel as well, which he can use to maintain his relationship with you. Number one. Number two, he can use to upgrade and downgrade his products without having to contact you every time. For example, he has purchased 25 Google Apps for work accounts. So he can automatically add 5 more email accounts whenever the need be. He will automatically get billed from you and you'll get your commission from Zernet Live directly. And then the most beautiful aspect, my favorite aspect of this ERP solution is that you get complete business intelligence. How much revenue are you going to get from your customers from renewal in next 20 days, 25 days, 1 month? How many support tickets have you got in last 30 days? What are the most popular support issues so that you can focus your bandwidth there so that your customers don't raise much of those issues. So this is pretty much what the backend ERP solution is like. Now I'm going to move to choices that we discussed. So with Zernet Live, you get a huge product portfolio, and we have chosen each product in accordance such that they are easily sellable. We want to provide, we want you to be able to provide to your customers anything and everything they need. For example, a customer says that my workload works better on Windows Azure, or someone says I need AWS, someone wants software cloud, another wants Google Cloud Platform. So and then again, customers might have their IT requirements, and they then again, as Sujit said in the beginning of the presentation, everybody's smart these days. So they have price point requirements as well. That Office 365 is pretty expensive to me. Do you provide Google Apps for Work as well? So we have designed a product portfolio such that you are able to extend all these services: Google Apps for Work, Amazon, Windows Azure Cloud, software, and hardware as a service, co-location, dedicated server, virtual private servers, and then again basic services like domain names, web hosting, SSL certificates, website security services, malware scanner, etc. So we have created a huge product portfolio so that whatever your customer asks for, there should not be any other guy who takes the deal and I would say, take the revenue out of your mouth, so that you are able to make this set. Other than, we are going to provide you complete marketing support in terms of joint events, digital marketing initiatives, and as you can see, we are also going to provide you a complete partner resource center from wherein your team can directly download. For example, you can see here that what should be the first email I should send to a probable lead when I want to sell Office 365. So this email is available in Word format. You can directly download it, edit it with your company details, and it is ready to send. Then after the first mail, if the response does not come, what should be the follow-up mail I should send? That is also available. What should be the second follow-up mail I should send? That is also available. And then say, let's say that your customer has asked that, give me a comparison sheet between Google Apps for Work and Office 365. So that is also going to be available to you right away. So we have tried to ensure that you just focus on selling. We have provided you all the collaterals you need to be able to make the sale. We are also going to conduct joint events from you. For example, you come to us and say that, I have this 1,000 existing customer base, and now that I'm launching these new services, I want to have organized an event where I can call all of them and we can announce that, these are the services available, and maybe we can give some sort of a live demo as well. So that marketing support is also going to be available. Digital marketing initiatives we are going to start within next month with our partners. We are also going to start brand outreach campaigns. For example, you are based in Bangalore, somebody is based in Maharashtra, and they want that, I want my brand outreach campaign in Maharashtra, that I am the biggest tele partner here. So help me increase my branding. So we are going to assess those possibilities as well, evaluate ROI for both of us, and then have those kind of mass media campaigns as well. We are also going to consider providing financial assistance to our partners, that you come up with an altogether different idea and you pitch it, and you are, let's say, able to put a promise that if we are able to give me this initial push of marketing, I'm going to be able to drive in this much revenue in coming 3 months. So we are going to be able to provide direct financial assistance as well. So this is marketing part. Then there is support. Again, like Suchit mentioned, we can take care of the support for your end customers without them getting to know that it is just ZNet Live providing the support, complete white label support, so that you can focus only on sales. Or if you want that ZNet Live should nowhere come into the picture, my team is competent enough to provide the support, you can do it directly right away as well, and we are not going to come anywhere in the picture. ZenNet Live can provide white label support via phone, email, support tickets. We have very well defined SLAs with financially backed SLAs with 99.99% uptime. So you can rest assured that when you are handing over to us your enterprise clients with whom you are working since last many years, we are not going to spoil that relationship for you. We are going to treat them as enterprise clients, and they are going to be provided best of the services. And then again, the most important aspect, customers are going to get self-service from the panel itself. They can raise tickets, they can see knowledge base. We are going to provide how-to tutorials, so that we are going to try to minimize the support overheads for you as well. So customers get the ability to avail self-service as well. And then yes, again, the final aspect, pre-sales. I'm going to Suchit explain this. That Suchit, what are some common types of pre-sale assistance that your partners expect from you, and what is the level that we can go to help these guys?
Actually, sometimes it happens that certain kind of consultation is required, or sometimes it is actually it is always better to have 2-3 people in a meeting so that they can actually close the order. So these kind of assistance we can provide, starting from consultation, that what kind of solution would be best suited for their customers, what kind of technical support, or sometimes, as we are into a solution industry right now, there are certain configurations that probably match the end customer's requirement more. And right now, ZenNet Live has been actually been taken care of so many technologies. So my guys, or probably the sales guys of ZenNet Live, can help them in closing certain deals with roundtable conferences, in-person meetings if they require. They have they have a very good funnel of, a partner have a very good funnel of their own, and require our direct assistance to go with them, close certain deals with them. We can do that. At the same time, we can also do some roundtable conferences with their customers, wherein we can pitch our solutions. And the best part here is that it makes more sense if we can actually create a bundle of products. For example, they have every partner has a certain competency level of their own. We can combine the competency level of theirs and create a bundling solution. Here the entire funnel rises, the acquisition increases itself. So we have a direct team assistance they can get out of it. They can do meetings with us, and we will be able to help them to the point wherein the actual sales happen.
Sounds good. And yeah, finally coming down to what matters, numbers. Last में सबको धंधे से मतलब है. So we have try to keep commissions and incentives as huge as possible. We promise you that you are not going to get this competitive commissions and revenue models anywhere in any of the partner programs in the industry. Here is a very realistic estimate of how much you can earn if you start selling cloud services with ZNet Live along with your existing products. So for example, Office 365 is I'm a personal fan of this product. This is one of the most easily sellable product. So let's say you have a huge existing customer base. Someone has 50 employees in an organization, someone has 20, 30. If you're able to sell just 300 seats of Office 365 per month, then the billing of that comes to 37 lakhs 18,000, and your recurring commission comes to 3 lakhs 71,000 per month. And the beauty is that this is recurring commission, which means that you only have to invest the effort of making a sale once. After you make the sale once, every time the customer renews month on month, this 3,71,000 you are going to get each month without doing anything. With ZenNet Live taking care of the complete post-sales cycle, providing support, etc., etc., you just make the effort of making a sale once and you get the recurring commission for your lifetime. Likewise, there are dedicated servers, web services like SSL, Cloud, VPS, etc., etc. So you sell 5 of them each month and you get this much amount of commission. And the most exciting thing, the backend ERP solution that we are providing for free to our partners can sell that ERP solution to their customers as well. Because I can see that a lot of partners who have joined us today are into the business of providing ERP solutions to their end customers. So what you can do is this RackNav model, this backend solution that we are providing to you for free, you can actually sell it to your customers, charge them an amount, and you get a fixed recurring commission on it per sale. So currently it is priced as 6,435 per user, and even if you sell just 11 seats per month, your monthly commission comes to 2,12,000. So that comes to a recurring commission per month of 7,50,000. Again, some of you might think this is very realistic, and some of you might think that this is a bit exaggerated. But at the end of the day, we are all here to make money, and it totally depends on our efforts whether we are going to get a revenue of, let's say, 1 lakh per month, or we are going to take it to 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs per month as well. So we have tried to keep the commissions and incentives as competitive and as motivating as possible, so that you guys put in your best. And again, wrapping this everything up, we have tried to take care of each and every need of our partners that was conveyed to us, from complete automation with a ready-made website with a backend ERP panel that takes care of sales, billing, CRM, service provisioning, to marketing support, pre-sale support, a huge product portfolio, white label support, and everything and anything else that you might even suggest today, and we'll be able to implement it within a month's time. So this is it. We are going to start FAQ in a while. We are going to start taking questions and answers, which I admit are going to be much interesting than the session we have taken. So I'd like you to be patient for just 5-10 minutes, because as soon as this webinar ends, all of you are going to have a very small survey pop up on your screen. So we are going to highly appreciate if you spare just 10 seconds of yours. There's a single question to answer it. So before we begin the Q&A, here is the beta feedback we have received from some of our enterprise partners, Mr. CEO Kulkarni, Vidoc Technologies, Saurabh Rag, Osys Technologies, and Mr. Vinod Rajput of Branded Systems. We rolled out a +1 partner program in beta phase to these partners a bit in advance, just to collect the feedback. And being very humble, the response has been outstanding, and they have found it of great value to them, and they have seen a very steady business growth within these 2-3 months, and we expect the same from you as well. So the beta rollout has been very exciting. Now let us start with the question and answers. What I'm going to do is, guys, you can ask your questions in the questions tab, and the question that I'm going to answer, I'm going to unmute for a second, and you can announce your question to everyone, so everyone has a better clarity on what you're asking, and then we're going to answer it. To start with, Mr. Amit has asked a question. Amit, just allow me to see if I'm able to find you in the list and unmute you so that you can announce your question to everyone. Just give me a second. Yes, so Mr. Amit is here. Yeah, hello Amit, I have just unmuted you. Can you please announce your question to everyone?
Yeah, hi, this is Amit. And my question is, can we select what all products we want to showcase on our website in case somebody doesn't want to promote all the products and, select the products as per their business or as per their, client targets?
Yes, understood. See, as of now, what is working is that all of ZNet Live's existing products are going to be visible on your website, branded as your own. So, just allow me a second. Yeah, branded as your own. So the choice you can make is that I don't want to show dedicated server or VPS on my website. I just want to focus Office 365 and Google Apps over. So that choice you can definitely make. The facility that we currently don't have is you being able to add your own products in that website. So this is something that our development team is working on, and we expect to roll it out within next 1 month or so. So after that, you're also going to be able to add your own products within the same website, and those can be managed from within the same admin panel that you're going to get as well. I hope I satisfactorily answered your question.
That's perfect.
Okay. Thanks, Amit. Anyone else? Kindly keep dropping your question. We are going to take them one by one. Yes, so Mr. Yashwant has a very interesting question. Yashwant, I am just going to unmute you so that you can announce it to everyone. Yeah, Yashwant, am I audible? Can you
Yeah,
please ask your question?
okay. Thank you very much. See, my simple question is already you have a standard website
Hmm.
and all the rates are flashing in it. So, how can we increase it and our end so it
Uh,
won't be competitive for?
Exactly. So, Yashwant, this is the beauty of it. By default, the pricing that is going to show on your website when it launches is going to be similar to Zernet Live. After that,
Okay,
you have complete flexibility to directly change it from the backend panel and set whatever price you like. For example, 1 month we are running a discount for you, and you want to be able to provide that discount to your end customers as well. So you can on the fly reduce the pricing on your own website. And likewise, when the prices from our end are high and you want to increase the profit margins for yourselves, you can increase the prices on your website. So that is something that is completely in your own hands.
okay, great, great.
Yeah.
Fine.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We are going to open to more questions now. Yeah, Mr. Jayaram has a very good question that I believe a lot of you guys are going to have. Jayaram, just give me a second. I'm going to unmute you. Yes, Mr. Jayaram, am I audible? Hello? Hello? Okay, so it seems I'm not audible to Mr. Jairam. Anyways, I'll announce his question. Mr. Jairam has asked that will I be able to add my own images or videos or anything else on the website? Again, this is also something we are working on. As of now, what you can do is you can put a customization request to Zernet Live partner team, and they will manually have the website changed for your needs. Within some months, we are also going to be able to provide that facility when you can do these amount of minor changes from your end itself. So yeah, again, here too you have the complete flexibility. Mr. Abhinandan Das, yeah. So Abhinandan, I'm going to unmute you for a second so that you can announce your question to everyone. Yes, Mr. Abhinandan, can you please announce your question?
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, I just wanted to know whether we could use our own payment gateway because I've already have a couple of payment gateways what I'm using for my web services. Can we integrate the same with your ERP?
Yes, you can definitely integrate it. And as a matter of fact, a lot of very popular payment gateways come already integrated with your admin panel. So although I, as of now, do not have the exact detail with me as in which payment gateways are integrated, but see, this is something we have been using at Zernet Live for many years. So we have already a lot of payment gateways integrated. So the chances are what you want is already there. And even if it is not, it is definitely going to be in a roadmap. And even if it is not in a roadmap, we are able to do it for you with small customization charges. But yeah, can you please tell me what payment gateway you are using?
I'm using PayUmoney and CC Avenue.
I believe CC Avenue is going to come readily integrated with your admin panel and website, and I'm not 100% sure about PayUmoney. Just allow me a second. I have with me Mr. Danish Wadhwa, who heads the operations at ZenNet Live. He might answer this question more satisfactorily for you. Danish, I'm going to unmute you for a second. Yeah, Danish, can you please answer this question? Hello. Okay, so it seems that Danish is not with us as of now, but yeah, CC Avenue, I believe 100% is already integrated with your admin panel, and I believe PayUmoney is also available. So,
Hello.
hello.
Yeah, Dakshish, can you hear me? Hi guys, Danish this side.
Yeah,
Okay.
Danish, you're
So
perfect.
we do have a Indian payment gateway already integrated onto our website. Okay, so we have an EBS Citrus, and we are working on CC Avenue and PayU both, and these will be totally friendly integrated way where you can punch your credentials from CC Avenue and you can use your own payment gateway. It will not be a sort of a private label payment gateway which we are going to offer you guys. So you can directly punch out your CC Avenue details or PayUmoney details into the backend control panel, and you'll be able to collect money from the website, right?
I hope this satisfactorily answers your question, Mr. Binandan.
Yes. Yes. Can I have one more question if you don't mind?
Yeah, please, please, please.
Yeah, please.
Just in case for if I don't have a payment gateway, it's for general question. If I don't have a payment gateway, it has to go through ZNet payment, right?
No, we don't accept any sort of payments on behalf of customers, right? And hopefully we won't be able to accepting that in coming future as well, because the payment collection process has to go directly to you guys only, to the partners, because there is a taxation complexity here in India. So of course you can collect the payments offline, you can collect the payments via checks or demand drafts, but again for an online payments you need to have your own payment gateway applied directly to any payment gateway merchant.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Abhinandan. Thanks, Danish. Guys, I'm going to take just two more questions because we are sort of running short of time. Mr. Ali Akbar has asked that can we promote other products in cloud services panel like ZenNet Live, WordPress hosting and web hosting? Yes, Mr. Ali Akbar, you can definitely integrate, and in fact they come already integrated with your panel. So you can sell anything and everything that you can see visible on ZenNet Live's website. So you, and as I announced, with time we are also going to make you able to sell your own products which are not ZenNet Lives on your website as well. One final question I'm answering. Mr. Yashwant has asked that can you provide a detailed documentation demo that you could place on the website. Yes, Yashwant, we are definitely going to get back to you on Monday with this. All the details of a plus one partner program, of the ERP solution that we are providing to you, of the ready-made website we are providing to you. So kindly be patient in Monday. Enjoy your weekend, and you'll have each and everything detailed in your inbox right away. And also, our partner team is going to get in touch with you personally. That's it. Uh, Okay, one final question that is very important. Mr. Sandeep has asked that after getting payment from our customers, how will I pay you and get the server from you? Sandeep, this is the beauty of this automation, that when your customer pays you via your website, his services get automatically provisioned and your payment comes directly into your account, and we automatically get our share of commission. So there is not going to be involved any sort of manual process in between. So all this happens on the fly with complete automation. So there is not going to be any manual work involved. I hope I have answered your question
So
satisfactorily.
Dakshish, I need to add something out over here is,
Yes,
so the process works as a prepaid model where you deposit the funds into your partner account, okay, and that funds will be utilized once your customers buy the services from you. So let's suppose you are ordering an Office 365 license, and you already have funds into your ZNet Live partner account. When your customer makes a payment and you accept that order, the funds you have in ZNet Live account will be automatically deducted as per your pricing. So that will be your cost price, and we don't take any pain like what selling price are you setting up for your customers. Okay, that's it, Dakshish.
Yeah, thanks, Sandeep. I hope that it answer your question satisfactorily. All right, guys, we are going to end this session right now because we are running out of time. One very small request: if you have any questions, two email IDs are displayed on your screen. You can get in touch with us right away. Alternatively, our team is also going to reach out to every one of you personally starting Monday to answer any and all of the questions you have. And one final thing and a very small request that once I exit this webinar, all of you are going to have a small survey open on your screen. It has just one simple question. Kindly spare 2 seconds to answer it. It is going to be a very important feedback for us at ZNet Live. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the webinar. Hope it was of genuine business value to you. And I hope that you found it worthy enough to be able to join us in our coming webinars as well. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.